Hello YouTubers, today we are exploring a fascinating topic. This is how tarot cards is a lot like conceptual blending. We're going to dive into tarot and basically how it sparks creative and fresh insights in a similar way to the world's most innovative companies, what they're doing. It basically is turning your tarot cards, your deck, into a think tank. So what is conceptual blending? Conceptual blending is a term that cognitive scientists have coined. It basically allows for taking separate, multiple ideas and merging them to form innovative solutions for a fresh perspective. It's an essential part of problem solving, creativity, telling jokes, and so on. So just like conceptual blending, tarot cards work in the same principle in regards to randomness and interpretation. So each card in a 78 card deck represents a certain idea, event, or character. When we ask a question and we draw a card, we're basically adding a random element to our question, and then we interpret the symbols in the relation to the query. It actually might surprise you that Fortune 500 companies also use the same type of idea in regards to conceptual blending. They also introduce randomness in brainstorming sessions to break free from the conventional thinking and foster innovation. So basically what they do is they get themselves out of the logical mind and they put themselves into a creative and intuitive mindset. And that's how they're able to problem solve, be more creative, and have a better understanding of figuring out the problem. Because they're pulling out that logical hat or off the logical hat and putting on their creative and intuitive hat. And we don't always do that. So to pull, some randomness in there helps us shake things up, helps us become more creative, helps us associate other things to something random and solve problems in a different way we never solved before. These companies, however, are not limited to the 78 card deck. They may use random word generators or mind maps or even wacky toys just to stimulate the brain's associative pathways. With tarot, we have to use the symbols, right? We use the symbols to spark that creativity. And we're really forced to make an association from the randomness of the question. So obviously, this leads us to new ideas, fresh perspectives, or even previously unexplored options. So fun. So next time you have an issue or a challenging question, you may want to give tarot a try. You can basically harness the power of this brilliant tool of conceptual blending. And who knows, it actually may help you discover what you hadn't thought of before. This is High Vibz. My name is Kimberly Archuleta. If you're interested in science and spirituality, I bring a lot of that to the table. And if you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and like, and you'll get lots more. Bye. Thank you.